Hello guys!
The reason why I'm here is actually because some guy, I am totally not magics, just like begged me so bad to make a video on this game. In fact, he forced me to it, and now I'm here. He said there was gonna be admin abuse. Yes! Oh yeah, by the way, I'm actually like so annoyed right now because of course the second I leave Fortune's End in the admin views, they do like 1 quadrillion rain and everyone gets like impossible clover and random impossible and literally anything there is. So now I'm actually so freaking mad and I'm never gonna play that game again. But they said they were gonna make a new version or rewrite some code or whatever. I don't know what that's like kind of mean. Are they gonna do the move like you versus Homer where they just like abandon the old game and then make a new one and just copy everything from that over to there? If that makes sense. I don't know, and I don't really care, to be honest. The game was kinda cooked anyway, so this game is so much better than Fortune's End. Like so much goddamn better, bro. He said in 10 minutes, bro. Oh, I thought. Wait, what the hell is that, bro? What is that supposed? Is that negative or? Bro, what? Dog, I don't know. I don't like they show just 1 to 25. That's kind of. I don't like that, bro. I don't like that. I'm from that one country that some people somehow don't know. The Denmark, bro. We invented Lego. We invented speakers. Yes, we invented a speaker.
So Denmark is the reason why you can hear me right now, alright? Remember that.
We also invented the wind turbine. Now, why was that necessary to know? It wasn't. I'm just bored because there's... Oh, wait. Never mind, I guess it's begun. I guess I'm gonna shut the hell up now and then log in. What? 72 active? Dog. Wait, dude, they added water! Yo, they added water, bro. That's like the best thing they have added in this game ever, Loki. Please start, please. You know there's content waiting. There's more players waiting. I'm waiting. Everyone like the game. Dude, I like favorite. Wait, did I even do that actually? Did I even like and favorite and do anything? Let me actually see real quick. I liked. Don't be mad. Hey, I favorite. You see? Also, the water goes up here. That's not really good game design. You might want to fix that. Lane. You want to see live streams of me, even though it's kind of boring, but maybe fun, because I am a funny person. I hope you find me as a funny person. Oh God, look at that. Oh, and the click, bro. What? Oceanic? I have a great feeling about this one, bro. What? Why am I so lucky, dude? I thought that was Matrix, but bro, Apex is still insanely good. So, okay, what? What? Did I just... What? Another? What? Why do I get so much, bro? Titanic too, bro? What? Oh, I saw that spawn. 1 in a million phenomenon. Seeing one of these spawn, alright? It's like low-key kind of hard. I don't want to pick too much up because my needs are... What? What? Dude, I'm actually yapping hella much right now. But everything is happening. We're like... I can't like finish a sentence before anything else happens, and then I'm gonna scream about that, and then something new happens, you know? Like, dog, whoa, what is this? And then this is, and that, what? Okay, what? There's 3 celestial carries. Duh, what is that? What is that, bro? What? Why is there so many item boxes? Dude, there's this 3 celestial carries. Look at that, bro. How many is there? There's like 5. Oh wow. Okay. Dude! Yo! Nah, dog, that's actually crazy. Bro, Lane is low-key aura for this, bro. He's so aura after this. Oh, there's a big clover. Okay. Oh, force field. Isn't there like a math, like just 1 quadrillion clover? Imagine that. Oh, bro thought he could hide as a bad clover. What? It's just a huge clover and huge what? Dog? Excuse me? Okay. That's a bad bro. Never doing that again, bro. Damn. Another giant star. Why am I so laggy, dude? What? Did you spawn some? Okay. He's not really spawning clovers anymore, probably because they broke, but like... What? I think that's like more than crack brain, I think. Dude, I already did like the game, like, bro, come on, dude. Okay, I could see this being the next Fortune Sun, like, it could happen, dude. You know, Lane, if this game becomes the next Fortune Sun, bro, don't forget about me. I was the one who low-key, like, popularized it, you know. The piece I got is a pretty strong one, you know. What? Lane, never do that again. Never do that again. No, Lane. Please, I beg you. I'm barely alive. You're barely making me survive, bro. No. Okay, that wasn't as bad. Oh dang. Oh my god, bro. Like, I swear that hasn't. There is not. Wait, massive clover. Wait, what? I got massive clover? Oh, it's the bad. Oh, it's the bad ones. Oh my god, bro. It's the bad ones. Okay, dude. Oh my god, that was the first thing that spawned. What the hell, bro? 3 epic stars is actually mental, bro. No, bro. It's what? What? Wait, what? Wait, isn't that the best one in game? The best variant in the game, though? No, it's the second best. No, that's crazy, like. Bro, why do you beg so much for people to like your game? Alright, I'm gonna run some funny. Let's start with the giant star, bro. Huh. That could have been better. Oh, dang. Oh? Wait, what even is my best? I don't actually know. Oh, this. Oh, I actually just got a new best. Dang. Right. The yeah, let's do with the oceanic now. What? Already, bro. Already, dude. No way. What? Okay, that's kinda crazy, dude. Already, bro. Already in the billions. Another, yeah. Yeah, that wasn't good. Okay, great. Let's go with another. Let's do another. What? Okay, God, what is this aura? Oh, that's not good enough. Yeah. Giant star, yes. Bro, dog, please. All I want is just a bulk. Like, come on, I don't care, just bulk, that's like all I want. I barely care about auras, just bulk, bro, just give me bulk, like. Bro. What? Yo, that's kinda... Oh, very unluck. Wait, I low-key need that, I'm not even gonna lie. How's luck? Like, so... Please, bulk, please! See. Luck 3 is still kinda good. Better than not. Wait, dog, why do I have 5 toxic carrot rolls? What's the celestial carrot? Didn't I use one? Wait, what? They don't carrots doesn't stack anymore? Oh. Oh dang, dude. I think I wasted. Well, now no. That's why. Oh yeah, this is so much better. Yo, this is so much better, dude. Oh my god. Yo, that. How much was that? That wasn't new. That wasn't better, right? No, it wasn't. How am I also supposed to know it doesn't stack no more? Like, come on. Who? No one told me, bro. So don't blame me. Did some dragon, even more dragon, some dragon. Okay, this is a good one. No, bro, no. What? Is this just anti-luck or? Dude, what? Oh dang, I missed something rare, bro. I low-key missed something rare. Please? Bro, why do I always get these? I don't want them. At least I got some... Oh dang, this is a good one, dude. Oh. No, get out of my... Oh, dang, bro. Look at this. Yep, I'm out of these stars though. Use. Shit. Come on, dude. Mr. Dots, bro. That Mr. Dots. You know how OP the dots are? They're OP. Like, let me just use some of these actually. Yeah. Oh! Oh my god. That is a good one. Yo. I haven't even seen a single bulk. What is this scam, bro? Give me some bulk, please. And we need some dragon, and some more dragon. Yeah, come on, dude. Yo, oh, jackpot, yo. Oh wow. That was a big secret, dude. Oh damn, there's no, the carrots are here, bro. Like I gotta use the carrots before they will go away. Okay, we got to use some more dragons because they're running out. What do we else need? We need some of these, like some of these. Yeah. And we need these. And need. And yeah. Okay, bro, we're like hella stacked. Boom. Oh. No, dude, I missed this one. At least I got some. At least I got some. Like, just some. Yeah, Universal Star. Let's go with the Universal here. No, there's a boat. No, I missed boat too. No. You get me baseball. What is this? Pain, but I gotta use a Pig Star with, yeah. Use my big ears. My ears. Oh! Dude, stop! Oh. Okay. Here we go again! Oh wait, did it please say no, dude? Cool. Okay. We're off to the last ones. The last OP ones where we're gonna use these. But before we do it, we need some dragons. Never forget them dragons. Never. Dude. Oh. Yo! 10 billion. But though. Yo, I can see this. Yeah, so this is like real past history or whatever. Doesn't even have the 4. Whatever. Right. Okay. Last one. Dude, whatever it is, I'm happy. Just happy to be here, I guess. Here we go! Oh, wait. No! Dude, are you kidding me? Oh my god. Dude. Yeah. So many triple dots. Oh my god, bro. Oh, that was kinda... Dude, that was kinda sad, bro. Did get a triple dot, but like... Now you can scream of me if you think I wasted like Matrix Clover and you know. At least I'm rich, look at that. Also, what is that the sun, bro? What is that? Oh, that's a Titanic! But they suck! It's the bad ones, bro. Fix the clovers, please!